I learned ABC, A to Z. A is for apple. B is for balloon. C is for cake. D is for doll. E is for egg. F is for flower. G is for goat. H is for house. I is for insect. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lamb. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for octopus. P is for pig. Q is for queen. R is for ring. S is for Santa Claus. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vase. W is for water. X is for xylophone. Y is for yolk. Z is for zebra. Let's speak, learn with me. Please subscribe me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.